Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
This vehicle is equipped with what's called a snow screen. It's a pre-air filter. It's in the front of the bumper, in the front of the air duct going into the air box. And it can be cleaned. You have to remove this plastic trim. There's 6 push clips along the top edge. We're going to take a small flat-bladed screwdriver and push in on them. That unlocks them. Don't push in too far. And then we'll use a trim clip tool to pry them up. That's that little center part, and we push it back out. I'm going to lift this cover up, slide it back out of the bumper. It actually pulls up off of these clips. So I get this out. I'm just going to kind of reach in with my fingers and just kind of pull it out of the air duct here. And you can just slide it down and out. And that's it there. Here's our snow screen. Cleaned it up with some warm soap and water. I'm gonna reinstall it. Let's see, it went in this way. Slide it up into place. It's got a little hook here. We'll sit on the top. Just kind of pushes in. And that's it, just sits in the front of this air duct. I'm gonna put this upper radiator cover back in, or upper air guide. So it's going to clip in the front. I'll reinstall all the clips. So I pulled them up after pushing them through. Going to feed them into place. And just push that down, it locks. And just repeat this for all of them.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.